Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this thing to redo. So follow along as we get started. Alright, like I mentioned before, I don't know what this thing is, but it is rusted on there pretty good. So I think it might be like some kind of like bird water feeder. Not quite sure. It's pretty rusty. Got a little rust that went through it. That doesn't bother me any because we're just going to use it for decor pieces. I'm going to hang it in my backyard in a tree. Give it some like cool look. So we're not going to restore this thing back to perfect. We're just going to knock off a lot of this rust so we can make it look and feel correct when we put the lid all the way down. And we'll go from there. So we're just going to use a wire brush, sander or sandpaper, and some Brillo pad. Get it nice and clean, get it all brought back to life. And then, well, we'll hang it in our tree. So let's get started. Alright, here it is completed. Took about a half hour with the proper tools. It's not perfect, but man, I like it. It now goes together. It's going to be a nice little decor piece here with our little hanging lights, our little swing over on the left here. And, well, just another piece to make our backyard look a little bit, I don't know, cooler for the dogs maybe. And maybe for us when it's nice out. So, if you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll keep doing some cool projects that everyone can do. Have a great day.